Hello everyone and hello Leo. Itong reading na to ay para sa year 2026 ninyo. We will look into the energies for the year 2026 and see kung anong mga advice cards ang gustong ibigay ng universe para sa'yo. Nawala tayo dito ng saglit, but we are back. If you are new here, welcome. Ang goal ng channel na to is to give guidance, sourcing the light from the creator with good intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Please follow or subscribe. Sobrang importante ng inyong suporta para makontinue natin ang readings dito. Your first cards are the Knight of Cups in reverse with the Six of Pentacles. So, nakikita ko rito na Leo, kulang ka sa confidence. Hindi ka siguro ganun ka active pagdating sa certain parts of your life. The Knight of Cups kasi ano yan eh, may kinalaman ito sa pagiging emotionally stable, confident ka sa mga feelings mo, confident ka kung paano mo i-express yung sarili mo. But somehow may imbalance dito. Pwedeng hindi ka confident or pwedeng hindi ka ganun hindi mo napaprocess yung emotions mo when it comes to other people, how you speak to other people. And also at the same time, pagbigay mo ng tulong sa ibang tao or how you are receiving help from others, anything na may kinalaman sa pagbibigay, it can be sometimes misunderstood by other people because hindi ka ganun ka hindi nga buo yung expressions mo. Hindi siya ganun ka fully formed kung paano mo siya ipaparating sa ibang tao. So this is your challenge. May kinalaman sa how other people are being perceived or how other people are perceiving you, how you speak to them, how you express your opinions, things like that. You also have the Fool. It feels like for some reason parang beginner kayo sa madaming ginagawa ninyo. Parang kine-question ninyo yung sarili ninyo. Parang ang dating nito, you are looking at yourself and tinitignan mo, sino ba ako? Paano ko ba to haharapin? Ano ba yung dapat kong gawin? So, kahit na ilang taon ka na, parang somehow meron kang pagtatanong sa sarili. Na parang matagal ko na itong ginagawa or parang hindi naman ako bata. But bakit ganito? Para bang hindi ako sigurado sa sarili ko. There are things na tinatanong mo sa sarili mo kasi may mga changes within you or there are changes in your environment that are making you feel like hindi siya yung nakasanayan mo. So let's see, ano pa yung meron? You have the Queen of Cups in reverse in the past. There are situations in the past that may have made you feel like irritable or baka naman naparamdam sa'yo ng ibang tao yung sobrang galit or sobrang inis. So, medyo nawala ka sa sarili mong, I wanna say maturity, pero hindi siya hindi siya buo eh. Parang pinush ka ng mga tao or ng situation to be in this reaction na sobrang baka galit na galit ka or maybe you lost control. Ito yung mga situations na talagang nasubukan ka and somehow siguro hindi mo siya na-manage ng maayos. Or at least kung hindi man maayos ay hindi siya yung pinaka-ideal na gusto mo sana. You also have the Nine of Pentacles here. So there is this sense of not having enough or not having what you want. Pwede din na you are not feeling enough. Kasi ito yung nararamdaman mo or ito yung naiisip mo sa sarili mo. It feels like lahat ay kulang. It feels like wala ka doon sa space na mafe-feel mong komportable ka, Leo. You also have the Ten of Wands. It's a lot of work in 2026. Hindi lang naman ikaw ang ganitong may ganitong cards for 2026, no? But it feels like for you, marami ka kailangan gawin. There's a lot of work for you to be done. Parang hindi naman natapos yung challenge mo nung 2025, or hindi pa din naman kasi hindi naman dahil natapos ang 2025 ay matatapos yung mga bagay-bagay. So it feels like meron ka pang learn. Your soul is trying to upgrade process, and ito nga, may mga kailangan ka pang maintindihan at matutunan. And this will be a lot of work from your side. Don't be afraid of that, because you will get through this. Sobrang you will get through this. And let's show you, let's move forward with the other cards para mapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi yeah, if you take a look at the other cards here, maganda siya. So let's see. There are other people around you. There are people around you that are helping you in some ways in making decisions. They are there for you because nagkakaroon ka ng kakaibang ideas on how to plan things, how to decide on things. They are looking at the brighter side, or they are looking at what kind of possibilities or solutions ang meron para sa inyo. Minsan kasi baka ito yung mga bagay na kailangan mo, perspective ng ibang tao. So, may mga taong ganito sa'yo, and kung may nakikita ka or may napapansin ka na may mga gustong tumulong sa'yo, or there are people that wants to be there for you, kung hindi man lang sila makatulong, it feels like hindi sila tumutulong in ways na sila mismo yung gagawa ng solution for you, but they are thinking for you, and they are thinking of other ways. They are there to provide you of some ways na pwede mong gamitin, but not the actual work. But it's fine. It's fine because nakita naman dito that you are capable. You also have the Seven of Wands here. So you are very, very protective of your energy. So in 2026, maybe this is something that you are naka-default ka na gawin, na I need to secure everything that is around me. Leo, hindi ito masama, because it's actually a good thing, dahil if you, it's a natural reaction, I would say, kasi if you feel like kailangan mo ng tulong or kailangan mo ng mas maraming resources, and then you want to secure whatever is that is around you. Leo, hindi siya din sobrang, don't be too afraid din. No, yun yung nakikita ko dito. Just be who you are, and just go kung ano yung merong resources and tulong na merong binibigay sa'yo. You also have the Two of Pentacles. So, ang advice sa'yo dito ay matuto kang mag-adjust, matuto kang magbalanse, matuto kang mag-adapt sa mga bagong nangyayari sa buhay mo. Don't be afraid na mag-decide sa sarili mo. Don't be afraid to make a decision. Yes, may mga panahon na kailangan mong pag-aralan ng mabuti yung mga gagawin mo. But it feels like to me, hindi naman siya sobrang hirap. But it's just that because it feels like ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan that you have to be careful. But either way, it feels like kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, nakikita mong mas okay for you, just go for it. Just trust your instinct. Kasi magiging okay din naman ng lahat. Just be careful with your decisions. Yun na yun. Basta wag ka lang padalos-dalos sa decision. You'll be great. Magiging masaya din naman for you. Basta nagiging careful ka sa decisions mo. Because you have the Page of Wands here. And the Page of Wands is telling me na ikaw ay magkakaroon ng liwanag. I'm not saying napaka-gloomy ng 2026 mo. It's not about that. But your challenge is all about deciding on things and working on things. There are just a lot of things for you na parang medyo napapa-feel mo sa sarili mo na may kakulangan sa sarili mo. But it's not the case. Hindi ganun yun. It just feels like mas gagaan ang mga bagay sa'yo when you are being careful and hindi ka nagpapadalos-dalos. So the Page of Wands represents your ambitions, and dun mo makikita na wow, I can still do some other things. May mga bagay pa pala akong pwedeng gawin at may mga magbubukas pang opportunity for me. And hindi lang yon, yung kagaanan ng loob, if you look at the page of wands, napaka-relax lang niya and parang may nahanap siyang bagong tool, may bago siyang nahanap na pwedeng gawin, and ang dami niyang pwedeng possibilities with this thing. So, sa 2026 mo, it's all about being careful and doing the work. Hindi mo kailangan pagurin ng sarili mo to exhaustion, na sobrang pagod mo na hindi ka na nagpapahinga. Also, you need to be very mindful kung ano yung iniisip mo when it comes to your current status. May kinalaman ba to sa how paano mo sinisisi mo ba ang sarili mo kung nasaan ka ngayon, ganyan. Or probably kasi may mga dreams ka pa na gusto mong abutin, but somehow you feel the lack na sana ganito na yung meron ko, sana ganito na yung na-achieve mo. But there's no need to do that. It's in the mindset na kung merong kakulangan, nasa isip mo lang yun because you still have what you have right now. And mararating mo din naman yung mga bagay or yung mga achievements na hinahanap mo sa buhay mo and for yourself na gusto mo ding ibigay para sa ibang tao. It's just that you have to be careful. Yun lang yun. And makukuha mo din yung mga ideas and inspiration. So don't worry. Your first advice card is release jealousy. Jealousy is an affirmation that you don't have something and the universe manifests exactly as you affirm. Let other people's successes inspire rather than frustrate you. If they have it, so can you. So, iwasan mo yung inggit. Iwasan mo yung ma-feel yung any kind of negativity. And when you see people na meron sila nito, bakit ikaw wala na inggit ka? Release that. Because ang kung ano yung feel mo, ano yung energy na vina-vibe mo, na vina-vibrate mo, yun din yung ibibigay na energy ng universe para sa'yo. So, anong pwede mong gawin ay maging happy ka, palitan mo ng happiness, happiness for that person, happiness for them, and inspiration for yourself. This is what you can do para mapalitan lang itong energy na yon. So, kung kaya nga nilang gawin yon, kung meron sila noon, then pwede ka ding magkaroon. Next advice card is clean energy food. When you fuel your body with a healthful organic diet, you increase your energy levels and ability to focus. This automatically leads to more efficiency, better ideas, and a higher vibration, which attracts golden opportunities and beneficial relationships. Unang-una, kailangan mo alagaan ang sarili mo. If you read this advice card, it's all about yourself, taking care of yourself. Ano yung kinakain mo sa anong kinakain mo? Sino yung mga taong kasama mo? Ah, tinataas mo ba yung energy mo? Maganda ba ang tingin mo sa sarili mo? Maganda ba yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo? And all of that gives you more ideas, pinapaganda niya yung energy mo, and yun, mag-a-attract yun ng mas madami pang magandang bagay para sa'yo. It can be tao, it can be trabaho, it can be things na makakabuti para sa'yo. As long as you are vibrating in this loving energy, it will be great. It will be very, very, very pleasant for you. Next advice card is patience. If you've tried forever to shift a problem, there's probably something to learn more from embracing it. May I get this be for now. May I let this be for now. Help me relax and trust every need will be met. Often change soon follows. So, yun nga, sinasabi nga rito that kung mayroon kang problema, why not just accept na ito yung kinakaharap mo ngayon? And then, just relax. React to it in a way na hindi ka nagpapanik, hindi ka naiinis. Just, okay, andito yung bagay na kailangan mong solusyonan. If you have the calm, if you have the chill ka lang sa ginagawa, sa nangyayari around you, then soon yung mga pagbabago ay darating din. Kasi minsan, ang pinapakita sa akin dito, minsan, pag sobrang higpit ng hawak mo, then hindi ka nakaka-focus doon sa mga bagay na solusyon or clarity dahil masyado ka nakafocus doon sa paghigpit ng hawak. So, relax ka lang and yun sasabi dito, and have patience. Next is independence. The more you learn to feed yourself on the inside and care for the inner child, the more freestanding you become. Help me feed and love this inner child, dear Lord. So pag inaalagaan mo ang sarili mo and you are taking care of yourself, especially your inner child, kung imaginein mo yung batang ikaw, ano ba yung ikaw na alam mong nangangailangan ng care, nangangailangan ng atensyon, anong klaseng suporta ba ang hinahanap niya. Alagaan mo yun. Alagaan mo siyang, yung batang yon. And soon makikita mo na you feel better. You are being, parang emotionally nagiging supported. Important yun for you kasi minsan feeling mo siguro ay hindi mo kayang mag-isa, hindi mo kayang tumayo sa sarili mo. So you have to support yourself. And that is one way na caring for your inner child. Next is dream guide, teacher, and guardian. Maybe your dreams are saying something, Leo. Maybe ang guardian angel mo ay may sinasabi pagdating sa ano yung mga dapat mong i-focus, may tinuturo ba sa'yo yung dreams mo, baka it may give you some ideas. Next is yellow, flexibility, personal power, and adaptability. Kailangan mong i-strengthen yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo. How you believe in yourself speaks a lot to your reaction and your energy in the world and how you are being the person that you become sa nangyayari around you. Ibig sabihin lang nito is dapat lakasan mo yung loob mo and be very flexible, be very adaptive. Ngayon ka siguro doon sa paniniwala sa sarili mo. So, lakasan mo yon and that is something na magbabago for you. I mean, magbabago yung reaction mo sa mundo, sa mga nangyayari around you. Next is Hawk Messenger. Spirit is sending you messages. Open your greater vision to see the signs. So, focus sa mga problema. Baka minsan may sinesend na sa yung mga tulong ang universe. So you kind of need to be more open and be more, again, chill. Because minsan hindi mo napapansin na may sinend palang tulong ang universe, si God sa'yo, tapos hindi mo siya napansin kasi napaka-busy mo. So be chill ka lang. Yun lang siya talaga. Next is pronghorn action. Now is the time to act. Opportunities are here. Move forward with confidence. Your talent will always help you land on the pinnacle. Your quick wit and keen senses will lead you to success. So ito na yung time for you to do things. May opportunities na dumarating. You have to move forward with confidence. And equipped ka naman eh. Alam mo ang kakayahan mo and yun yung makakatulong sa'yo. So yan ang forecast ninyo. For subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para may aabangan ka ang forecast for your sign. Always remember sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.